Hey guys, Vanakkam, welcome back to Simply at Home. Today we're going to be looking at how to repurpose or compost coconut. Coming from India and particularly South India and other places like Thailand and the eastern countries, we normally use fresh coconut, and let's see how we can easily do that. இந்த 30-day சேலஞ்சில் நிறைய பேர் கேட்டிருந்தது அப்படின்னா என்னென்னா தேங்காய் நார் தேங்காய் மட்டை உள்ளே இருக்கிற தேங்காவையும் இன்கேஸ் யூஸ் பண்ண முடியலன்னா அதை எப்படி நம்ம சீக்கிரமாக கம்போஸ் பண்ணலாம், இல்லாட்டி வேறு என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் கேள்வி. டஸ்ட்பினில் போடுறதுக்கு பதிலாக. ஸோ let me show you all the three as an example here. So one is I'm right now cutting out the external aspect of the coconut. This is called tenga nar in Tamil, and this before I get into why I'm cutting this, let's understand the new trend. இப்போ என்ன ட்ரெண்டிங்னா கோகோ பீட் அப்படின்னு ஒன்று ரொம்ப ட்ரெண்டிங்காக இருக்குது. அது வந்து ஒரு பிரிக் மாதிரி கிடைக்கிறது. We have to put water in that, it will expand. So those of you who are into gardening and soiling and doing stuff, what we are doing now is pre-gardening. We are doing the composting bit or the waste management. So gardening they will mix cocoa peat. By the time I'm cutting the rest of it, I'm going to come now to the other aspect. This is a current day scrubber and this is the erstwhile scrubber. ஒரு காலத்தில் fortunately we all have seen this. இதுதான் நம்ம பாத்திரம் தேய்க்கிறதுக்கெலாம் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்த scrubber. So this information for my dear millennials, this is exactly the scrubber, eco-friendly, easily biodegradable scrubber that we had at home. So you don't need to be worrying about 1 week later you can put this in the soil and then use another set of scrubber, and so life goes on. So தெரியாதவங்களுக்கு again, this is trending today in organic shops. I happen to see one small bit of coconut scrubber which is like 90 or 100 rupees. Think about it. If you want to repurpose, you can repurpose this as your own scrubber instead of buying a ready-made scrubber. So that's one tip. Another thing, coming back to cocoa peat. Cocoa peat, what does it do? Cocoa peat enna pandrathu appadina, it's a water retention purpose kaga we are mixing it into the soil. So this is something abbe bitti bitta kadaila kadikra mari venuma, not needed. You can mix this itself, cut and mix this into your soil when you're doing gardening for equivalent to a cocoa peat. So இதுதான் அந்த வெள்ள இருக்கிற நார் வச்சு நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்னு பார்த்திருக்கோம். So what do we do with the external? Now coming to the shell of the coconut and the coconut meat. தேங்காவையும் தேங்காய் மட்டையும் எப்படி பண்ண போறோம்னு. So coming from South India, most of you will understand what is sambrani. The rest of you, it's like incense. So the powder we need, to put the powder we need something which is burnt and it's still got the fire contained in it, to expand the incense. So while doing that, since somebody asked about, it is a good coconut that I used here and the smell was awesome and I burnt it. I just kept it aside so I can share it here. We can burn the coconut also. Nothing will happen. So once this is burnt, again this ash can be mixed into your gardening soil as such. So this is the easiest way in which you can burn your shells and the coconut and put it back into soil. So for those of you who want to know how to use that burn the coconut shell, that I have done a complete different video for this purpose. I will leave that in the description box below. சாம்பிராணிக்கு போடுறதுக்கு எப்படிங்கிற தேங்காயை எப்படி நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம், தேங்காய் மட்டை தேங்காய் ஓடைங்கிறது இன்னொரு வீடியோவில் I have given in the description box below. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. Signing off, this is Ramya. Bye-bye.